fun before we go to sleep and wake up early in the morning to go to the airport. We have a really nice hotel, and the owner just told us, if you're hungry, there's this one restaurant which is super budget price and really good food, and after this you have to go to this famous knaffer place, and we are going to do exactly what he told us.
Welcome to the chaos here of
Amman. Still some hours left, so we're gonna use them.
Yeah. Go! Come on! Through the traffic!
Sascha is training for Asia.
Yeah.
Welcome to Jordan.
Thank you.
Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see.
I think we made it to Hashim. I've already seen how they make the table. Big plastic foil and everything is served on top of it. And at the end, German is just taking the 4 ends of the plastic, making it to a bag and then carrying it to the kitchen.
Could be your father.
That's true.
Have you seen how skilled he put the plastic here? It was like...
Always very fun when you have a restaurant. They throw everything. We have 5 dishes and this is one of them. Eat! And you get served really quick and it's like most of the time very good. Green and warm. You can taste the herbs. That's what I love. So, should I part the Red Sea?
Yeah, do it. Or is it the Dead Sea here?
No, it's here. Maybe it's a Dead Sea. But... We learned in Israel, if you don't want to get super full, super quick, then don't eat it with bread, the hummus and all the stuff you get, but eat it with an onion, and you just take 1 slice, you use it as a spoon, and eat the whole thing. It adds a really nice crunch to it, and you can eat way more.
Ooh, I'm just a human in motion. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you.
If you come here, you just sit down, you get served at the table. There is kind of this cashier mini booth, and you go there and pay. And in 1 second, I will tell you how much it was, because we don't know the prices. But we heard it's very, very, very affordable. Okay, very affordable. $6.45.
Wow.
Okay, knaffer place. Yay!
Just go, man! Just go!
Okay. Woo.
Just go!
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Salam.
Wow.
So you can choose between a soft and a crunchy one. Oh, this is good.
Good knapper.
1952.
Oh, wow.
It's really old.
Already, yeah. Our hotel owner, he told us to come here. Yeah, he said you have the best knapper. Bye. Thank you so much. They were so sweet, and this shop looks just amazing. Look at it. This is insane. Whatever you wish to try at sweets in Jordan, then just go here. Let's enjoy before it gets cold, because you have to eat the knapper warm. Right, Sascha?
Yes.
Okay. Let's dig in. Hi.
Good. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're famous, I guess.
Sometimes when you're with a camera, you attract a lot of attention. It's almost gone, Sascha. You're filming. He's filming, and the knapper is gone. The only ones eating knapper here. You can eat upstairs if you like to sit and don't be on the street. But it's also the locals, they all just eat it right in front of the store. So do whatever you like. 70 cents. It was so good.
Am I the only one who finds this fascinating, huh? I love it. anything you need, even if it's a Spider-Man, you can get it here. City Center, Amman, Main Street, just anything.
I want it. Oh, it smells fantastic. But there's no one there. Hi, it's yours?
This is lemon, this is orange, this is cinnamon. You are leaving the coffee like that. Hello?
It's not yours, it's his.
It's mine.
Ah.
But he's working for me. He's gonna make it. Oh, it's
Okay.
He's a special.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, nice. Okay. You got us.
He's a friend of mine.
Next time when we're here, we need to have a tour with you.
Yeah, sure. Anytime. Yesterday it was my last day with the Italian group.
Uh-huh.
It was so beautiful actually. And they wouldn't want to go back to Italy. They want to stay here.
We've been in Jordan for 10 days. But It's
Okay.
the first day here in Amman.
Okay, how was it, Wadi Rum?
Oh, very good.
But I got a sunburn.
You have to.
The people in Jordan, they are the best. They're so lovely. They are.
We are a very good community with each other, you know?
Yeah, that's important, right?
Yeah, it is.
So delicious. This, if I was sick last week, this is what I would have needed.
It's really good.
Thank you
Have
so
a great
much.
evening.
Have a good day.
Shukran, shukran, bye.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Honey, ginger, lemon. You go first.
Jetzt, komm. That was intense.
You are insane.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Hi.
YouTube?
Yes.
Hi, YouTube. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. I love Germany.
Yes.
Hi.
Amman! We love Jordan!
Nice to meet you.
You are very nice.
Yeah.
High five.
Salam, huh?
Salam.
Shukran. Bye.
Salam.
Everybody's so excited here. And
You
so
have
are
to
we.
go- Here we are, amphitheater. I think during the day you have to show your Jordan pass, but in the evening it's hangout place for everyone. So more locals and tourists. It looks pretty red. In the middle of the city, just here.
So guys, this was our day or a couple of hours in Amman. It was lovely. Tomorrow we are off to our next country, number 48.
That we just had a few hours here is just another reason to come back to Jordan.
Super impressed by Amman.
Yeah.
When we came here, it was very cold and we didn't know what to do. Maddie was sick a bit, so we just stayed in.
It was
I'm
stormy.
so glad that we did it tonight. Those couple of hours to.
You didn't want to.
Yeah, I know. I'm a bad boy. Yeah. Just go out, roam around, and have those lovely food and meet the lovely people here. It's awesome. I mean,
Yeah.
you've seen it, so yeah. I think that's it, right?
Yeah,
We
that's
love
it for
Jordan.
today. I hope you liked the mini vlog. Our few hours in Amman.
Right.
See you in
the next one.
Bye.